Sirens pierced the quiet Friday afternoon in Tampines, and within minutes, a towering plume of black smoke loomed over eastern Singapore. From Changi to Simei, residents looked up and saw it. Something was very, very wrong. Welcome back to 2230, and today, we're unpacking the massive industrial blaze that gripped Tampines on May 9th, and why it has left many questioning safety standards in our industrial zones. At approximately 12:50 p.m., the Singapore Civil Defence Force was alerted to a fire at a 3-story building at 18 Tampines Street 92, located just behind Safra Tampines. The response was swift. SCDF personnel arrived on site in just 5 minutes. But what they found was no ordinary fire. This was a textile-fueled inferno, volatile, fast-spreading, and incredibly difficult to control. 5 water jets, an aerial monitor from a combined platform ladder, and even an unmanned firefighting machine were deployed. The use of robotics in firefighting has been increasing for such hazardous environments, and this incident was a clear case study of why. Though only one person was treated for a minor arm injury, thick smoke blanketed surrounding neighborhoods. Office workers in nearby buildings were evacuated. Residents in Simei and Changi reported ash falling into their homes. Windows were shut tight. For many, it was a chilling reminder of how quickly disaster can spill beyond its origin point. The building, reportedly occupied by TC Home Plus, suffered structural compromise. Authorities quickly cordoned off the area, warning that the premises were unstable. And while the blaze was largely under control by 4:38 p.m., SCDF remained on site to dampen deep-seated hotspots hidden within the wreckage. This isn't the first time Tampines Street 92 has burned. Back in 2016, CK Building caught fire, and that took over 16 hours to fully extinguish. 2 major fires in less than a decade, on the same street. That raises real questions about zoning, material storage, and compliance. So here's what we want to ask you. How well do you think industrial fire safety is being managed in Singapore? Should there be more public transparency on how flammable materials are stored in industrial buildings near residential areas? Are current enforcement and audits enough to prevent such recurring disasters? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Share this video if you live in the East and witness the smoke. And subscribe to 2230 for grounded, detailed coverage of stories that matter to Singaporeans. This is more than just a fire. It's a conversation about safety, preparedness, and public accountability.